Hi guys, my name is Maher Soa. I'm Android developer, and here I will show you how to pass a message from activity to another. Okay, let's start now. I will create a new project with choosing empty activity. Let's click next and choose language Java. I will keep 19 API as minimum level. I will check this checkbox because I want to use Android X instead of using the old method for compatibility. Okay, let's click finish and start the application. I keep it with default name. It's not really important for our application. Okay, now Android Studio is building the application for us. I will just display the main layout or the layout of our main activity, and here we found a hello world. Let's start this application. Let's run this application in our emulator, which is started yet. Just okay, I will check this one. Okay, I think we will have a small error message when the application will be displayed, and I will show you how to fix that. Okay, again, application is building and stunning, and this is an error. The only thing that we have to do is just change the version of our constraint layout. I'm using 1.1.2. It will be changed to 3. And click sync now. The other dependency will keep. I will keep them with old version. It's not important for our tutorial. Okay, now in our layout, I have to create. Here you have just to build or clean your project, and he will rebuild the project for us. And we have everything clean here. Just to make sure, I will run this application in the emulator, and everything should work without any problem. Okay, he's building again the application and starting launching, and everything is okay. Now in our layout, I will have to add plain text, and I will align it here. And of course, the better way to start your layout, it will be better maybe to create an ID for each input. And now I will, for example, name it send edit text txt, and this one I don't need it. I just need a button, and I will put it just below the input. Of course, I will change the ID. It will be send btn. And the same case for this element. I will align it in our layout depending on our input. It should be here. It will be better. I will change also the text value, which will be send. And for our input, I will change the information here. It will not be text, it will be hint. And I will create write your message. Okay, there's some slowly. Here I will call this button with the name by calling find view by ID, and it will be send btn. Also, I will get the editable text, and the name was send, I think, edit txt. Those name is up to you. You can name it whatever you want, but try to make sense for your name. Okay, and now I'm adding a click handler for our button, and Android Studio just create for us this method with auto completion. I just write new view.onClickListener and press enter, and Android Studio created this for us. Okay, now what we need to start a new activity, we need what is called intent, and I will name it send intent and start an instance for that. The first argument for our intent will be a context. In our case, I will create main activity dot this, and for now I will put just null, because the second argument will be the name of our new activity. Okay, let's create a new activity by clicking right on our mouse, choose new, and go to activity, and I will create an empty activity. Let's call it receive activity, and let Android Studio generate a layout for us, and just click finish. Of course, we'll keep source language Java. Click finish. Okay, he will rebuild the project. Let's see what Android Studio will create for us. Then under res, under layout, we find our layout, and in manifest sorry, in our manifest he added also the declaration of our activity. Okay, now with this created, I can add the second argument, which is receive activity dot class. Now we have to add information in this intent that will be sent to the new activity. In our case, I will use send intent and put extra. The first argument will be a key for this intent. I will name it send information, and for the second argument it will be the value that we will send, and our value is our value here is the value which is created by user in our edit text. Okay, and we name it send edit text get text to string. And to call the activity, I have to use start activity and put our send intent as argument. Now we'll go to receive activity, and it is empty. We'll create text view, give it an ID, name it receive text view. I will align it in our layout like that. We don't have some weird disposition of our element. And now in receive activity, I will call this simple text view, and I will use receive text view, find element by ID, find view by ID, r.id dot receive text view, and I will get the information sent from the other activity by using send text, and I will call get intent, get extra, get string. And here I will use Android Studio create a hint for us and tell us to write the name of the key, which is send information. And now I will set this information to our text view, and will be send text, and just to be sure here the key is send information. It's the same here with put extra send information, and everything should work without any problem. We will see let Android Studio build the application and install it, and here I will create, for example, message, click next, send, and it will display the message in the new activity. You can go back and change the information by, for example, new message, and click send, and the message is also displayed in the new activity. That's it. I hope is everything clear for you. If you have any comment of any feedback, feel free please to write in the comment line. Thank you for your following, and see you later for another tutorial.